first thing I'm going to do is hit settings in the bottom left-hand corner once I am logged in to the board. I'm going to go to Files Library and make sure the one on the top right, which is default whiteboard location, says Lumio. If I tap on those words, it'll bring it up. I make sure I click Save, and then I'm good to go. Go back to my home screen. I'm then going to go to Files and my board files again. Do a long hold on one of the board files directly in the center and it'll select it. Then tap on any others that you like. Now tap and hold any of those and drag it to the top. You'll see the drop down menu. Make sure you let go over the word Lumio. And it is now backing up all those files to your Lumio account, which is online. Depending on how many files will depend on how long that takes. Once you're done, you can go to any device that has an internet and go to Lumio or lum.io, and you'll be able to see your files right in your Lumio account. You'll also be able to click and edit any one of those. Make sure you are logged in to the board and logged into your Lumio account on your computer. Back up your SMARTboard files is to insert a flash drive. We're just going to click Ignore once we insert it. Click on the Files button in the bottom center. Make sure we're on our board files. Once you've gotten your board files, you are going to do a long hold on one of the files you want to back up. Now you can select multiples by just clicking or tapping in the center. Once you have them both, click and hold on one, and you're going to drag it towards the top. And we're looking for our flash drive. Oh, it's not there. Let's go to the other one. You're looking for that down arrow, and there's the USB down towards the bottom. I wait till it turns green, let up, and it is now saving them on that flash drive. If you have multiples, that's okay. Just keep both and move on. When I'm all done, I now can eject that flash drive, literally just pull it out of the side of the board, and you'll then be able to take that flash drive to your computer, open it up on your computer, and there are all those board files in notebook file regiment. And you can use them, add them, edit them, do whatever you want from there. Need help? Reach out to your EdTech coach.